Welcome to this exciting video about the benefits of adding a rug to your interior space. Rugs are often overlooked when it comes to home decor, but they can have a big impact on the look, feel, and functionality of your room. In this video, we will be exploring the many benefits of adding a rug to your home. Let's get started. One of the biggest benefits of adding a rug to your interior space is warmth. Rugs can provide a cozy and inviting atmosphere, especially in areas with hard flooring like tile, wood, or concrete. Whether you're relaxing in the living room or just getting up in the morning, a rug can add an extra layer of comfort to your feet. Another great benefit of adding a rug to your home is style. Rugs come in a variety of colors, textures, and patterns, allowing you to add a pop of color, define a space, or create a neutral backdrop. With so many options available, you're sure to find a rug that fits your personal style and enhances the overall look of your room. Rugs are also great for adding comfort to any space. They provide a soft and cushioned surface to walk on, reducing foot and leg fatigue and improving comfort. Whether you're sitting on the floor or standing, a rug can make a big difference in how comfortable you feel in your room. In addition to warmth and style, rugs can also help reduce sound in your room. By absorbing sound waves, rugs can help to reduce echo and make a room feel more peaceful and serene. Whether you're watching a movie or just trying to relax, a rug can help make your room feel more comfortable and inviting. Finally, rugs can help improve the safety of your home. By providing a non-slip surface, rugs can help prevent slips and falls, especially on a hard flooring like tile, wood, or concrete. Whether you're walking in your socks or have kids running around, a rug can provide a safer environment for everyone. So, there you have it, the many benefits of adding a rug to your interior space. From warmth and style to comfort and safety, rugs can make a big difference in how you feel in your home. We hope this video has been informative and inspiring. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips and tricks.